Welcome to Iswal Job channel. Today we are going to discuss about important GK about Pakistan. Let's start the video. General knowledge. Total districts in Pakistan is 145. Total districts in Punjab 36. Total districts in KP 35. Oldest cantonment of Pakistan is Kohat. Number 4 important GK. Indus construct Wular Barrage on which river? Jhelum. Commander-in-Chief who was also defense minister in civil government? Ayub Khan. Who was the second martial law administrator? Yahya Khan. Smallest division of KP is Bannu. Next, number 9 important question. Jinnah of Pakistan was written by Stanley Goldberg. Shalimar Garden was built by Shah Jahan. Tomb of Iqbal located in near Balsai Masjid. Gandhi Beach is located in which provinces? Balochistan. Next important question. Does Karakoram Highway connect Pak with China? Smallest state by area? Malta. Plant exit in night time with gas CO2. Distance from north and south equator is called latitude. Next, number 17. Eastern Median Iskandar Press divided between which two countries? Greek and Turkey. Reuters is the news agency of UK. Does WW stand for World Wide Web? Number 20. Most urbanized provinces of Pakistan? Sindh. Black gold is the name of oil. The oldest area of the world? Siberia. Capital of Azad Kashmir? Muzaffarabad. Next important number 24. Pakistan won the World Cup in 1992. Which are Pakistan is sandwiched between China and Indian occupied Kashmir, Baltistan. In 1945 to 46, which war was fought? First Anglo-Sikh War. Next, important GK. In 1909, UN peacekeeping mission to which country? Kosovo. The oldest barrage of Pakistan is Sakhar. Gulf War participant by which countries? Iraq. Sakhar is situated in Indus River. Next, 31. From the moon, which structure of the land visible? The Great Wall of China. Country shortest coastline? Monaco. The country biggest irrigation system of the world? Pakistan. MashaAllah. Next, 34. Number important GK by Pakistan. Largest planet of the solar system is Jupiter. City of Canals? Vinca. Did China situate in which parts of Asia? East Asia. Yes. Number 37. They are very important question. Sweden currency? Corona. Syria is the currency of Ghana. Romania currency? Lira. The first cabinet of Pakistan established on 15 August 1947. There are total 46 MCQs are answers in this video. Mr. Ghazanvi destroyed Smooth Temple. Tipu Sultan died in for Mysore War. Which country has the least population growth? China. Next, in other important MCQs, this is the last page. Lome is the capital of Togo. Pakistan, the heart. Asia is a book written by in 1945 by Liaquat Ali Khan. Founder of Pakistan Mughal Empire, Babur. Thanks for watching. This is the end of my video. If you like such type of videos, then please share, subscribe this channel because we are always uploading such type